Auto-posting to multiple platforms at once can save you a ton of time, but it can be tricky to figure out the right tool that actually gets the job done. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to auto-post to multiple platforms at once with a method that actually works. First, let's dive into why auto-posting is so powerful. If you're running social media for a business, personal brand, or even managing multiple accounts, posting manually to each platform can be a nightmare. That's where using a good auto-posting software comes in. The right tool will allow you to schedule and publish posts across all your social media accounts with just a few clicks. I've tried the most popular software for this task, and after testing them all, I'm recommending the one that's simple to use, fast, and actually does what it promises. You'll find a link to get an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. But stay tuned because I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Now let's jump into how to use this software. First, sign up and connect your social media accounts. Usually, you'll have to authorize the software to access your accounts. This is what allows it to post for you. The process is pretty simple. Just click Connect Account, choose your social platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., and authorize access. Once that's done, you'll be ready to create your posts. You can create one post and then tailor it for each platform, or you can create a universal post that works across multiple platforms. Depending on the software, you may be able to drag and drop images or videos directly into the post editor. Be sure to customize your post as needed. Each platform has its own ideal post length and image size, so make sure it fits the platform's format. Next, choose when you want to post. You can either post immediately or schedule it for a later time. This is where the magic happens because it allows you to post to multiple platforms at once, even if they're all on different time zones. Setting it up is as simple as picking the time and date you want to schedule the post. One of the best features of the software we're using is its ability to manage multiple accounts. Whether you're handling 3 accounts or 30, the software will keep everything organized and allow you to track the performance of each post from one dashboard. You can even see analytics to see which posts are getting the most engagement. Now, here's a pro tip. Always keep an eye on your notifications. The software will alert you if something goes wrong, like an issue with connecting to a platform, so you can fix it fast. The key takeaway here is that auto-posting to multiple platforms at once is a huge time saver. By using the right software, you can efficiently manage your social media presence without spending hours posting manually. Remember, the software we've used in this tutorial can help you do this across all your platforms. And if you want to follow along, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description. To quickly recap, you connect your accounts, create your post, schedule it, and let the software do the work for you. It's that easy. Take advantage of the free trial I mentioned, and you'll be all set to streamline your social media posting. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the free trial linked in the description below, and happy posting.